Welcome to the point, and I hope you are doing practice well and you are happy also. Okay. So in this class permutation and combination, I will tell you how to solve permutation and combination questions in 5 seconds. Okay. Don't do lengthy process. I am going to tell you a process which will take less than 5 seconds to solve you a permutation and combination sum, and for that you subscribe the channel. Okay, you subscribe the channel so that you will get the notification in time of my next class. Okay, so now I am going to start the permutation and combination channel in lengthy way. In the concept I have cleared in my previous lecture, the concept of permutation and combination, complete concept, that is half an hour lecture, I have covered in my previous lecture. So this lecture I will take a short lecture of at least 10 minutes to clear the tricks. Okay, so now you just pay attention for the trick. Suppose 6p2. Okay, 6p2 is given. So formula is, don't do formula, 6 into 5. If you do, the answer will be 30. Okay, here it is 2 given, so 6 into 5. Okay, answer will be 30. No need to remember factorial n but a factorial n minus r. No need to do, directly 3 here, then you do 3. Okay, clear? I think it is clear. Suppose यहाँ पे 5p3 is given, then 5 गुना 4 into 3, 5 4 जा 20, 3 जा 60 will be the answer. Okay, suppose 12p2 is given, so 12 into 11, 132 is the answer. Okay, so very easy, no need to remember that formula that I have told you in the concept class. Okay, so permutation you can solve like this. We'll take another example. 11p2 is given, then 11 into 10, 110. Okay, so this will be the answer. You can solve it very easily. Okay, so now take the case of combination. Suppose 6c3 is given. Okay, this is the different case, just pay attention. So 6 into 5 into 4, here it is combination, so you have to write here 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, easy one. So note down the difference between the permutation and combination. Now you cancel it, 3 2 ja 6, 5 4 ja 20 will be the answer. Okay, no need to remember the formula also. Okay, you don't need to remember formula, याद करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, आप खाली ये प्रोसीजर याद रखिए. ठीक है. So take another example. 7c2, then 7 into 6 into 2 into 1, 2 3 ja 7 3 ja 21. Directly you will get the answer. Okay, suppose 15c11 is given, then I have told you formula ncr is equal to ncn minus r. This will be is equal to 15c4. Now 15 14 13 12 divided by 4 3 2 1. Okay, you cancel it and you will get the answer. Okay, so this is the easy way. You don't need to remember the formula of the permutation and combination. Whatever number is here given, you write up to that number, 1 2 3 4, then factorial 4 4 3 2 1. Okay, and cancel it, you will get the answer in less than 5 seconds. Okay, suppose here it is given 7c2, then 7 into 6 divided by 2, 2 3 ja 6, 21. Okay, so very easily you can get the answer. Okay, so now suppose one question is asked, find out the value of 75p2. Straight away you can do 75 into 74 and you will get the answer. No need to write factorial and all, just multiply it and you will get the answer. Okay, so now we'll take the questions. Okay, these type of questions are asked in the exam. In how many ways letters of the word apple can be arranged? Okay, So five letters are there. Factorial 5. Letter P is repeated 2 times. So divide by factorial 2. So 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and divide by 2. So answer will be 6 5 ja factorial 5, sorry. Here it is factorial 5 divided by 2. So 5 4 ja 20, 3 ja 60 will be the answer. Okay. So 60 will be the answer. Your answer will be 60. So what is the procedure? 5 letters are there. So you write factorial 5 on top and 2 apple is repeated, P is repeated twice. So divided by factorial 2. 5 4 3 2 1 and divided by 2. 60 will be the answer. Okay. Now take the other example. The word is rumor. R-U-M-O-U-R. Rumor. So see, 6 letters are there. In how many ways the letters of the word rumor can be arranged? Okay. So 6 letters are there. Factorial 6. Divide by R is repeated twice. Factorial 2 into U is repeated twice. Factorial 2. Okay. Very easy. 1 mark question will be asked. Now you simplify it. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 2 into 2. So this 2 is cancelled by this 2. 2, 2 ja 4, 6, 5 ja 30, 30, 2 ja 60, 3 ja 180. Okay. So 180 is the answer. Easily in 5 seconds you can get the answer. Okay. So 180 will be the answer. Correct? Okay. Now next question. In how many ways the letters of the word Allahabad? A-L-L-A-H-A. Allahabad. Okay. Allahabad. A-L-L-A-H-A-B-A-D. Allahabad can be arranged. Count the number of letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So factorial 9. Divide by A has come 1, 2, 3. Thrice A has come factorial 3. L has come factorial 2. And A has come 1, 2, 3, 4 times. A has come 4 times. L has come 2 times. Okay. Now simplify it. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 and factorial 4. Factorial 4. Divide by factorial 4 and simplify 2 into 1. So factorial 4 cancel by this thing and 2, 3 the 6. Multiply it and you will get the answer. Okay. Not a factor into 7 into 15. You multiply it and you will get the answer. Okay. After multiplying, this is the procedure. Count the letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and divide by the words letters who are repeated. A is repeated 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then L is repeated twice. None other words are repeated. So divide by those letters and you will get the answer. Okay. Next word is engineering. E-N-G-I-N-E-R-I-N-G. Okay. So this is the word. In how many ways the letters of the word engineering can be arranged? So how many words are there? Letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So factorial 11 on top. And how many times E has come? 1, 2, 3. 3 times E has come. Factorial 3. Okay. Then N 1, 2, 3. 3 times N has come. Okay. G has come twice. I has come twice. Okay. So 3, 3, 6 and 4, 10. So what is not repeated? Okay. So now simplify it. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 4 factorial 3 divide by factorial 3 into 3 2 1 into 2 into 2. This 3 will be cancelled. 2 4 ja 4, 3 2 ja 6. Remaining multiply 9 into 8 into 7 into 5. You multiply, you will get the answer. So these many ways the words can be arranged. Okay, take another example. How many ways letters of the word signature can be arranged? So how many letters are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 letters are there. Okay, so factorial 9 on top. How many words are repeated? Yes, repeated, not repeated. S I G N A T U R E, signature. S not repeated, I not repeated, G not repeated, N not repeated, A not repeated, T not repeated, U R E, nothing is repeated. So factorial 9 will be the answer. Okay, you solve this factorial 9 and you will get the answer. Factorial 9 will be the answer. So this type of questions you can solve it very easily by this method. Okay, in less than 5 seconds you can solve this. No need to remember the formula of NPR and NCR. I have told you the trick. You practice it and you will get the answer very easily. Okay, once again you subscribe the channel to get the notification on time and you can follow the channel. Okay, so you will get the maths classes notification on time and you will learn. Okay, thanks a lot.